In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix your TikTok notification not showing. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into your TikTok app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. So now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do is to locate the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines, and as you can see, we get these options right here. So what you're going to do in here is to click on settings and privacy. So click here, then scroll down a little bit, find where it says notifications, click here. And for a lot of you, it's going to be off, I think. So just click on where it says off. Now you're going to just actually find where it says notifications in here. Then you're going to allow it right here. As you can see, we can now go back into our TikTok app. And as you can see, my in-app notifications or my notifications are now enabled. And as you can also double check so that you have all of those that you want to be able to be enabled in here as well. And you can also click where it says in-app notifications, and you can even here enable those that you want to be able to have, as you can see. But if it's still not working, well, then what you're going to do is to come back to your settings and privacy page right here, scroll all the way down almost until you can see where it says report a problem. So click on report a problem in here. Just going to load, and perfect. Now we're going to scroll all the way down, click on submit a report in here, and then you're going to write like this: I am having issues with notifications not working even though I have them enabled. Fix this for my account. So you're going to write like this: I am having issues with notifications not working even though I have them enabled. Fix this for my account. Click on submit. You can even specify more, like what exact notification you want, or if it's all of them, you can just write exactly like this that I wrote. Basically, it doesn't really matter. Then wait like a couple of hours, and hopefully after that this will be fixed for you. So that is basically exactly how to do this.